Food is always a big part of spit rehearsals. In fact, when we don't eat, there's a chance that we're going to fight. So food is essential. They sent us over 15 baos, so we were able to try 3 different flavors.
Roasted belly is pork belly. With hoisin sauce.
Kaya ako sumasayaw habang nag-check-in kayo, gumagana ako. Kasi lagi ako natatawa si kay Papu kasi pag nag-gesture ng jet, go tayo, go. Sa utak ko. Naku, maano rin tong mga ito, mapapagod rin tong mga ito. Yung check-in ko talaga, and there is...
Kahit talagang ito, nag-ora ka lang kanina, kikita ka, may spaghetti sa spa.
7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1.
Ubos na ubos.